When we turn the lights on in the morning, we have quite a show going on.
The Industrial Training Center has a long history here in Colville. This new iteration came about through conversations we had with our local industry partners who needed trained, skilled labor.
My goal for this program and my students with Spokane Community College is to be able to give them a wide range of skills to know how to not only do manual machining of the mill and lathe, but to also know how to use the CNC equipment that we have up here, so that when they go out with our local industry here in the Colville area, not only can they work that equipment safely, but they're going to be hitting the ground running and be able to go straight into production and straight into work.
Once they get their trade, is to help them transition to the industry. Through that process is getting a job interview. We teach them how to do good resume packet.
There's a lot of people that can do the job, but we try to get the work ethic in there too, on top of just the skills.
We usually have really good students, and the issue we have with the students is the fear of whether they can succeed or not. And so that's the first thing that we try to make sure is they just get comfortable.
I didn't know a lick about welding when I came in here, and they told me just keep burning rod until you figure it out, and walked out of here a pretty decent welder.
I'm a 20-plus year vet, came out of the military with a great many job skills, but a disability that prevents me from having employment. So finding this gives me having a purpose that gives me pride and joy in what I'm doing.
Taking this program made me take the step forward in that dream. It is something that I've wanted to do before I took the course. Well, back when I was working full-time manufacturing, I wanted to do something like what I got into, and taking the courses gave me that leverage to jump in and do it.
Don't be afraid, and don't be afraid to learn from them, and don't be afraid to teach them a few things as well, because it goes both ways. Do what you do and do your best. That's kind of really what matters.